We still remember when Umam Kolu said to Makwela, I'm not your mother-in-law and I'm not your friend. So last night episode, it was proven Uguti Umakwela, she is a mother-in-law. Although Ukoko Flo, she's not here anymore, but Umakwela has a mother-in-law. So let me tell you what happened. Last night episode, Utanenes Temple, season 8, episode 11, day 2 of Musamsaleko in the hospital. Macele calls Samke to the restaurant. They eat and then go to see Musamsaleko early before the other wives can visit, which it was Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo, because the other wives should not see Usamke until Musamsaleko has introduced her to them, said Macele. Guys, you can see Uguti right now. Macele, she's doing the mother-in-law duties, the one that she said she will never do. But people are very proud of her for giving Usamke a chance to also go and visit Musamsaleko in the hospital. If it was somebody else, would have never done that. Again, she did ask Usamke whether she's pregnant or not. Usamke was like, no, I'm not pregnant, mom, I'm fine. Guys, you can see Usamke and Macele, they do have a strong bond compared to the other wives, Abu Mayeni, Abu Mangwabe, and Makumalo. Guys, the people are saying, no, we know Macele, she's probably using Usamke. Guys, there is no such as a friendship. Macele could never be anyone's friendship when it comes to Musamsaleko's wives. And people are coming for Mangwabe this time, guys. They are saying that Mangwabe needs to leave. They are tired of him for pretending to say that, I'm leaving, this. It's been from season 1, Mangwabe has been saying that she's leaving. Now we are on season 8. People are saying, but this time we want to see Mangwabe leaves, or she must stop telling us and she wants to leave. Even on the direct section, she seemed like she didn't care Musamsaleko was sick. She was talking about her emotions that, sometimes she will want to have a conversation with Musamsaleko, but she must think twice. So people are like, why Umangwabe she doesn't care about Musamsaleko, guys? Some are saying, it seems like Umangwabe she has moved on, she has a new boyfriend. Guys, the people were really can see Uguti, they are really heads. It was a Makumalo and Macele, guys. They could not stop crying even on a direct section. People are saying, Uguti, you know what? No wonder why Musamsaleko, guys. If you've been following Musamsaleko on his Instagram account, he's been posting Macele and Makumalo, not Mayeni and Mangwabe. Some are saying, is there trouble in paradise? What is going on in Mayeni and Mangwabe? Or maybe they have left their marriage. What is going on? Because Musamsaleko, ever the season has started, 2010 season 8. He has been posting from episode 1. He has been posting Macele, which it makes sense on Macele because Macele she has accepted Ukwela, guys, and seems like they have a good relationship. Imagine your first wife accepting your wife number 5, and she doesn't mind even if you take wife number 6. So people are saying, hi, Macele, now she's living the best life. She's no longer a finisher. Let's give Macele her flowers, guys. I don't know whether I would say she's using Ukwela. For me, it seems like she does the care Ukwela. Remember, Ukwela, she's the youngest one. At the end of the day, she needs someone to talk to. Obviously, she has to go and talk to the first wife. Again, that's very true, guys. Even if we don't like it, that's how it is, guys. Normally, when your husband has the tembo, you are responsible for the last wife. That's how it is, guys, whether we like it or not. Anyway, guys, tell me what do you think about Makwela and Macele's relationship. Do you think that Macele is pretending? Anyway, guys, tell me in the comments section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.